When you acquire a pivot table, you often wonder what the pivot table is based on, and it's not always obvious what a pivot table is based on. If I click on a pivot table and I go up to the Pivot Table Tools Analyze tab in the ribbon, there's a button called Change Data Source. If I click this button, it will actually take me to what the pivot table is based on. And so I can see this pivot table is based on the sheet called targets in the range A1 to H271. Now, if there's any chance that that list is actually growing, we need to make sure that we update the source so that the pivot table is seeing all the data. So I'm going to click here in the background and I'm going to press Control A. Control A will automatically select all the data. So if, since the pivot table was made, another 100 rows of data has been added, you need to make sure that the pivot table is seeing all the rows. And I'll go OK.